Okay, so that's number 3. Let's look at number 4. So that's against definition, slope, intercept form. So definition of a slope intercept form, you can think of it as equals y equals mx plus b. And that's going to be our slope intercept form. Is simply just y equals mx plus b. I like b here. I don't like c personally. But what we can do is within this here, we have this here is y. So we have x and our y points. So these are x and y coordinates. Or you can say points on the line, on a given line. We have here, it's our m. So m would equal our slope. And we can calculate that using basically either rise over run, or you can calculate it given 2 points. You can say y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then we have b here. B here is our y-intercept. So if we have some type of equation here, and let me give you an example here. So if we have some type of equation, we can say that, say y equals 3x plus 2. This here would be a given line, right? So we can say that the slope here is 3, the y-intercept is 2. And what we can do is we can actually plot this into our graph, right? We can graph this using slope-intercept form. It's actually a very, very powerful tool. So what we can do is we can say that the y-intercept is 2, so we can say this is 1, this is 2, so 0's point is 2. So we know that we have a point in the line, and we know the slope is 3, right? So if rise over run is 3, we can say it's going to, this is going to increase by 3 up, and then goes right by 1. So we can say that it goes up by 3, so maybe up to 5 here, and then it goes to right by 1 here. Oh. Right by 1 here. So we can say that this here is a line. Given these 2 points, we can say we can create a line here that says maybe like here, close enough, and we can say that this here is our y equals 3x plus 2. And this here is the definition of the slope-intercept form. It provides us information about our x and y coordinates, so any points at the plane will lie along the x and y, and our m here is our slope, again rise over 1 or run, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and b here is our y-intercept, so when it crosses the y-axis. So the solution here is correct. They give you a different formula, which is fine, but it's exactly the same thing. So you have a slope, which is m, you have y-intercept, which is, so you can plot out your point here, which is great. So solution here is correct. Good analysis.